Ladies and gentlemen, this is a special video which was ordered to make, so I am doing it right now, and the purpose of this video is to show how this mechanism inside my milling machine, this is this milling machine, how it works. It is a lever which control the this axis, left, right, and up and down. It cannot go down because we are on the bottom, and there is something which prevents to engage the down if we are on the bottom. So how it works: there is the ball, there is a stick. This stick is not connected to anything, this is just put inside. It's holding itself, and this ball has bigger hole, and the bottom hole is a smaller hole because the stick is a little bit narrower on the end. And this upper ball is fixed by these screws, which has some valley in the end, and it must be set to be just a little bit loose, but not too much. That's the top ball, and the bottom ball is trapped inside the hole. I think there is some washer from the top or something. Then there is a ball, and from the bottom there is a nut. This is the nut, and there is the ball, and there is a stick. Here I can push it up, and there is the ball inside between these two. And this nut has some holes or some protrusions inside on four sides, and it's because it must be again a little bit loose and not too much. So you turn it and make a right tightness and fix it with this springy thing on small screw. So that's how it works. No fancy stuff, very simple solution. But it is not all. There was another thing I don't use, which should be on the stick somewhere here, and the purpose is to cover the mechanism to prevent entering chips inside. And there was a cover with I don't know if I still have it, probably not. No, I discarded it. And there was some kind of cross hole, so you was able to just do cross motion. So everything was closed, but it was preventing to move it, so I remove all and I am keeping this open. Okay, we can test how it works. It's up. We are rising, and it doesn't hold very much because it was broken, and it's down, and when we reach the end, it will disengage. Yeah. And it's one side, another side. It doesn't hold up motion very well, especially if it is quite fast like this, because the wheels are damaged because they were loose and they were not engaged perfectly, and they are like chipped away, and they tend to disengage. If I put it in the state when this machine is off, it works very well. Not down because we just hit the end, and we cannot engage down because we are on the bottom. You can see we are somewhere on the end. of scale. And yes, so if I want to go up, I usually hold it, and together with this high speed move I can lift the table very quickly, but it always go out if I try to go fast. That's problem because this is a very old machine, and I'm happy with the function how it works right now. That's all. I think you understand how this works and how it is made, and you can, if you have problem with it, you can create. You can see the ball on the bottom. Yeah, it is a little bit loose. Yeah, you can create if something is missing. That's all. Stay tuned.